Well, this is a bit awkward. I forgot to turn the sound on again. Of course, you know the old saying, right? A picture for 1,000 words. You don't need to hear my words. All you have to do is look at the plots, and everything will be crystal clear. Okay. So let's come back over here. Israel, Ohio, Ohio. Okay, let's see what's going on over here. Okay, Ohio. So a big shout out to the one person who watched this video, particularly the young person who watched this video yesterday. I know that you have some friends that are interested in these reports today. Okay, so I'd appreciate if you would share the video on Facebook and Twitter, and also share, copy and paste the link into an email or text message. Also, if you're interested in our programming or data analytics, join me tonight at 8 p.m. on my Twitch channel. There's a link in the description below. Also, I'd appreciate it if you would click on the link to my Twitter account and follow me on Twitter today, okay? Thanks so much. Let's get on with the show now. Okay. So we always need to remind ourselves of a couple things. First of all, back in February of 2021, this year, the governor's office came out and said, oops, we undercounted COVID-19 deaths by close to 4,000 during the fourth quarter of 2020. What's interesting is, one thing is that they never seem to have a problem counting cases. Seven, not only did they count them, but they also had no problem counting them 7 days a week. Okay, so anyway, so the government took the missing numbers from 2020 and added them on to February 11th, 12th, and 13th of 2021. And this is what those three numbers are. Okay, and look at what it did to the previous days and the day after that, to completely dwarf days. So what we do, we take these and we replace them with the average number of COVID-19 deaths for each of these 3 days. And that gives us a number that looks more like this, which is a much better fit, obviously, because it brings all the rest of these numbers back into play. All right. Now, if we take a look at this is actually a 14-day moving average. I should change that one of these days. A 14-day. Let's see if we can do that, man. Let's just do that right here. Okay. Okay. Let's just start this back over here then. Okay, as we were saying is the governor's office came back over here, and this is our adjustment. So in addition to the missing deaths from fourth quarter 2020, they also decided in March to only begin to count COVID-19 deaths, again, not cases, deaths, 5 days a week. Of course, the fun fact is it's not always the same 5 days. Okay, but anyway, what do we got here? So these are our adjustments. Let's come down and take a look at deaths then. Deaths with a 14-day moving average. Of course, this number here in the fourth quarter should be higher. It should be 4,000 higher than it is. And this number for the first quarter should be 4,000 less than it is. But of course, this also, beginning in March, includes the change to a 5-day reporting cycle. But we can still see overall, we got this long declining pattern down to mid-July in COVID-19 deaths. Then in mid-July, COVID-19 deaths began to increase, and inquiring minds want to know how many of these people here were vaccinated. A few summary statistics. Deaths by week, nothing really radical here. We already know what the trend is. This is cases. Same pattern, a long declining pattern down to July of 2021, then an increase in July, and now the numbers appear to be falling a little bit again. Summary statistics, a different way of looking at the same data. Cases by week, we know the drill, right? Okay, Buckeye Nation. That does conclude your report for today. Again, thanks so much to that one person who viewed this video. Now I need you to invite 10 of your friends to watch the video every single day with you, okay? So this does conclude the High Report. Also, I'd appreciate if you click on that subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. And also click on the description below. Click on the link to my Twitter account and follow me on Twitter today, okay? Thanks so much for your time, Buckeye Nation. We'll see you tomorrow with an updated report.